They say time waits for no one. But this fort, it waited. It stood through cannon blasts, storms, invaders, and silence, stone by stone. It held, not for comfort, but for purpose. This isn't just ocean. This is history breathing. Fort San Felipe didn't watch the waves for beauty. It watched for danger. It watched for opportunity. It watched so others could live. Back then, it was about defending a coast. Today, it's about defending your peace, your vision, your energy. The storms may look different now. Deadlines, doubts, distractions. But the lesson? Still the same. Hold the fort. When fear tries to sneak in under the fog, when chaos rushes like the tide, when life makes you feel like the only one standing guard, remember this. They didn't build this place to run. They built it to withstand. And so were you. You are made of ancient stone. Bloodlines that fought before fear had a name. DNA that dreams didn't dare break. So what is your fort? Is it your faith? Your family? Your future? Whatever it is, stand on it. Stand for it. Speak from it. Let your life be a lookout tower for someone else searching for strength. Because even now, somebody is watching your time lapse. They're seeing if you last through the weather. They're waiting to see if you crack or rise. Be their proof. Be their pillar. Be your own reminder. I don't crumble. I construct. And when the world tries to move fast and make you forget who you are, just breathe. Be still and hold the fort. If this spoke to something inside you, like and subscribe. But more importantly, comment with one word that describes the fort you're building in your life right now. Let someone else see that strength still lives here. See you on the next one. If this spoke to something inside you, like, subscribe. But more importantly, comment with one word that describes the fort you're building in your life right now. Let someone else see that strength still lives here. See you on the next one.